Your phone is stealing your brain right now. Just one scroll could be 2 seconds away from disaster. Whether you're at your study desk or on your daily commute, this distraction drift is a serious threat. I'm your AI brain guardian, and I'm here to reveal a shocking truth. Did you know that just one glance at your phone while driving is like covering your eyes for the length of 4 football fields? Here in the Philippines, a huge number of students are struggling with their exams because of phone drift. On the road, phone zombies are causing a significant percentage of rear-end collisions. So, how does this happen? Your phone is designed to give you constant hits of dopamine, that feel-good chemical. Every notification, every like, every message trains your brain to crave more. But this comes at a cost. That little ping reduces your reaction time. After just a few minutes on a social media app, the part of your brain responsible for focus can become significantly less active, thinking you can multitask. Research shows it can temporarily lower your IQ more than you might think. This isn't just theory. It's happening in real life, turning a routine commute into a potential danger zone. For students, this study drift can feel like career suicide. That phantom vibration you feel even when your phone is silent. It can take over 20 minutes to regain your focus. A quick break on social media often turns into a 2-hour black hole. Group chats constantly pulling you in can sabotage your grades. Every single notification can slash your reading comprehension and scrolling in bed. The blue light messes with your sleep, which is crucial for retaining what you've learned. On the road, we see phone zombies everywhere. The stoplight scroll, where drivers are slow to react when the light turns green, can cause major puppets. Trying to navigate with an app while also messaging a friend triples your crash risk, and taking a quick selfie. That moment you check the mirror could create a blind spot disaster. But you can fight back. It's time to deploy your anti-drift armor. When studying, try apps that lock your phone for set periods. Simply putting your phone in a drawer, out of sight, works wonders. Combine focused work sessions with airplane mode for maximum concentration. While commuting, use a phone mount and voice commands. But remember, hands-free isn't brain-free. A great tip is the 20-20-20 rule. For every 20 minutes of driving, take a 20-second break to look 20 meters ahead and refocus. And here's a pro hack. Switch your phone to grayscale mode. It makes the screen less appealing and helps kill the dopamine cravings. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try going 24 hours without using your phone while studying or commuting. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Take control, stay safe, and win back your focus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more brain hacks.